Hi, my name is Kelly McLean, and I am the founder and owner of KLM Business Solutions. I help service-based entrepreneurs to put the systems and processes in place in their business so that they can get back to doing what they love and they enjoy. So today I'm going to just walk us through how to set up your ConvertKit account. So basically, you're just going to go to ConvertKit's website, and you're going to click Get Started. Okay, and so once you click that, they're going to give you some different options. If you're just starting off, I suggest doing the 0 to 1K subscribers. And I believe the features are the same. It's just how many subscribers you're managing. And so if you don't, makes it pretty simple. So if you are just kind of starting off, then you want to go ahead and just select this one. It is $29 a month. So once you come over here, you're just going to enter your email address. You're going to select your password, and then you're going to go to the billing. There is not a free trial going on right now for ConvertKit. So, or at the moment that I'm doing this video. So after you enter everything, so let's just put, you select the terms of service, and then it's going to ask for your billing information. You go ahead and enter that, and you're going to select create your account. I'm going to go ahead and log in because I want to show you guys. I want to show you all how to bring over your email addresses from your previous account. So say you started off with a free service and now you want to kind of move over and upgrade to something like ConvertKit. I'm going to show you how to bring those email addresses over. Oh, I think I'm typing too fast. Okay, so once you're logged in, you're going to go to subscribers, and then you're going to select import subscribers. And then you're just going to drag over the CSV file from your previous email marketing software. And that's as simple as that. You're just going to pull it over. Once you have it, then you're going to select. And also, I should mention the really great things about this is that once you're bringing those over, you can kind of already like segment them into their own list. And so the easiest way to do that is with a tag. And so before you even go through importing, you're just going to want to come over and create a tag, and you can just say new subs and save that. And then once you click import, then you're going to say, I want, once these new email addresses are imported, I want them to have the tag new subs. You may even create it. You may say, like, if you're moving over from MailChimp, I think I did this before. I think when I first moved over, I said MailChimp. And that way it lets me know where these subscribers are coming from. And then you're just going to select import your subscribers, and it's going to, it will process for a few seconds, and then you're going to basically have all your subscribers right over here. And so they make it pretty simple for you. So depending on what software you're kind of moving over from. On that end, you're going to want to click export. So you want to select all of your email subscribers that you want to bring over, and you're going to hit export, and it should give you the option of exporting them in that CSV file. And then that way you can just drag it, or either if you save that file to your computer, then you can also select here in order to find it. Well, I hope that was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me at kelly@klmbusinesssolutions.com. I would love to hear from you. Have a great day.